Hey quilt friends, ready for a project that not only looks amazing, but is practically foolproof? Then my new Fusion online course is just what you need. In this newcomer-friendly course, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process, from choosing colors and cutting fabrics to sewing perfect blocks and achieving a polished, professional finish. You'll get my best expert tips, though whether you are a beginner or already have some experience, you will create a quilt you will be proud to show off. But that's not all. You'll also receive detailed cutting plans for stress-free prep, labels to keep everything organized, a coloring sheet to blend your own unique layout, and of course the complete pattern is included. With 8 comprehensive modules, you'll have all the guidance and support needed to make your quilt a success. Join the Fusion course today, have fun, and transform your next quilt project into a masterpiece. I can't wait to see you there.